forms, put it through its paces. Okay.
Bugs 8, here we go.
There we go.
So you're binding it now, are you, Dave?
Bound.
It is bound.
It's just a normal line of sight fly.
A bit of interference there, I think, Dave. Do you reckon it picking up that tower? You did say before. Yeah, head that way away from the... Oh, maybe it's an out of range. Yeah, it's out of range.
Got fresh batteries.
What's the range on this, Dave? Because that was beeping at 30 metres.
Yeah, about 300.
Something, is that second rate? Is it the new landing gears, or is that what it comes through?